Hi and welcome to another tutorial. Today I will show you how you can create a dynamic header for your visual. That's very easy, but first, introduction. My name is Catherine. I'm founder of Colors of Fabric and Power Platform User Group. You can find all the content related to the videos on my GitHub in the repositories. You can write me an email or you can go on my blog. You can also follow me on LinkedIn and YouTube if not already done. And let's start with the tutorial. First, I will show you how it should look like. So if I click here, for example, on March, we see that the term here, March versus previous month, has changed. If I change back, we see here February versus previous month, and also the category. So if I choose different category, you see that the category for example, dairy or bakery is also changing. Okay, how can we do this? This is only one measure, really. So I will show you. Let's go in our exercise page and start. First, I click my advanced card here so that it's marked, and then I can put in my measure. I will show you so that you will understand what's happening here. I will make it a bit bigger. So a little quick tip, if you click Control and plus, you can make it bigger here, the inside, so the formula, so you can read it better. And you see here now my header, month and category. First, I have a text which says the delta spendings, and then the break opens. And then you have to put it in quotes. And then we have the function select value. And what does this function do? If you pick, for example, a month name, in this case March, February, January, it will filter down and pick the name and put it in the header. So in the in the header line. The same for the categories. So selected value and then based on the category. And how can we now put the header line in our card? You have to click on the brush here on the right side, and then we open the general menu, so everything what's around the card, and then you can open the title. And you see I have spendings with icons as title, but there is an FX, which means you can conditional format things. And then I will choose here my measure, my header measure, click on it, and okay, and submit it. And now you see I have here my dynamic header. So if I now click, for example, on bakery or on fruit and vegetables, you see that it's automatically changing here. Also, if I change the month, you see now here the month is also changing. And what's missing, the divider is missing as well from before. So if you want to have this as well, you can open under title. There's a divider. You can open it and switch it on. And normally it is gray, but you can also conditional formatting it. So you can click on FX. And of course, I have a formula for this as well. I will show you after I put it in, which called color. So all measures you find here, you can also find on my Git. So very easy. There's also a demo data set if you want to try it by yourself. And here you see gross color. And then I submit. And you see now I have here my divider. I can also make it a bit bigger so that it's more in the focus. And of course, I can change things related to the title as, for example, the alignment. I can align it in the center. I can make the title a bit bigger and so on. And that's it. So if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And for in 2 weeks, I have a new live stream, Power BI report in 1 hour, part 2. We had already part 1. If you liked it, you can come to the part 2 as well. I have a new data set and I have as well new tricks and tips and tricks. And yeah, if you want, you can come. And until then, have fun with Power BI. Bye bye.